Alright, so this is going to be the first pass on a piece of Eastern red cedar. I've already ran the bottom side here several times across the joiner with the Helix head. It's as close as it needs to be to do this. I'll take the rest of it off here with the planer, it'll be easier. I think the big thing is how I want to transport these big pieces from one side of the planer to the other. I may end up having to build me like a little roller system that goes down the side of the planer over here, so I can take it off the back, throw it on the rollers, roll it back here, and then stick it back in. So I have to figure that out. All right, it's gonna get a little loud. All right, that got off a good part of it. I'm going to take one more pass. No tear out. Looks really smooth. It's a nice finish. So I'll get it set back up and I'll film the last part of it, show you what the finish is like. So there's the cedar. You can see it right there. It looks beautiful. There is no tear out whatsoever. And of course I'm putting it through there with the grain, but this cedar is notorious for tearing out because you've got soft and hard spots, all the knots and everything, and you can see there's no tearing around the knots whatsoever. It's just perfectly smooth. So that's never had that with a straight blade, but this head's doing an excellent job. Yeah, I couldn't hope for anything better. Well, that's it for here. Here are some cedar mantels as they come out of the planer, so you can see what type of finish the planer leaves on a somewhat hard to plane wood because of the grain patterns and the hard and soft spots. So here we go. Here are the mantels after initial planing. I still have to do the epoxy repair that's required on the where the inclusions were, and a little bit of rot here and there on the sapwood. So, but as you can see, there is no areas of snipe on either end, and it's just perfectly smooth, no tear out really. It raised the grain a little bit around the knots. You can see it there. But it's not enough to make any difference. That'll sand right out very easily. So here's the other one. So just a really nice finish on it. Well, there you go. What you can kind of expect out of this planer. Thank you.